Welcome back, channel viewers. We have an exciting project to go over today. This one is a meme coin. It's another one of those that is fairly new, but not too new. Pretty much just the optimal age for a project that you're considering aping, in my opinion. Additionally, it's in a sector of memes that has proven to be successful time and time again. And it's very similar, as a lot of the same elements as what is probably the biggest, best performing meme coin of 2025 and late 2024. So if you own that coin, the bigger one, which a lot of my personal viewers do, and I do myself, you probably want to grab a smaller bag of this low cap coin as well, because I think that they will move in unison and the timing is perfect. We already had our 2-month mini bear market. We are now trending up in both the markets as a whole, top 10 coins and low caps like this. Things are going to start sending soon. So without further ado, it's a promotional project that I am very bullish on. It is BRK6900. They just have a new and improved, very chic website. There's a picture of Warren Buffett. So obviously this project, the bigger one that it's similar to, is none other than SPX6900. That's the bigger project. But BRK honestly has a bunch of advantages over SPX in some key areas I'm going to go over in this video. Now, obviously, I'm a big SPX6900 fan. It shot up from a $10 million market cap to a $2 billion market cap in less than a year, only 7 or 8 months. And right now, it's kind of at a pretty big dip. It's at $675 million. It shot up $200 million in the last week. It is really heating up SPX. Now, how is this relevant to BRK? Well, I believe SPX is going to keep heating up. It's going to have a monster December and January. And then all meme coins in its sector, like BRK6900, they are going to pump as well. And I own a huge bag of SPX, so I'm not just saying this to, hype up some project. I honestly believe we are going to hit new all-time highs within a couple months. But BRK, the advantage, one of them, it's only at $76,000 market cap. It is a low cap. It's on Ethereum, just like SPX. So if you put in, say, $1,000 into BRK6900 and it goes from 76K market cap to 7.6 million, that's not even that much if the whole meme coin sector starts pumping. Your $1,000 turns into $100,000 again. So if you put $1,000 into BRK6900 at current levels and it goes up to a 7.6 million, your $1,000 turns into $100,000. So looking at the BRK chart in more detail, this project, again, it's on Ethereum like its predecessor, SPX. It launched 3 months ago in mid-August. It quickly shot up to an all-time high in the first few days of about 150K market cap. Then it had the 70% dip that all meme coins have after the first ATH. It consolidated at these very low microcap levels for about 2 months. But if you bought right here, late October, you are looking pretty good, because the last week of October, it started pumping. It reached a new all-time high of 200K MC approximately on November 11th right there. Right now, we're on another 50-60% dip. We're at 75K market cap currently. So this is a good-looking chart, because the team's been here for 3 months. They are not going anywhere. They are here for the long run. So it can't really go much lower than 78, 75K. It is on a current dip right here. It's already consolidated several times before. So it's basically just a matter of when it is going to start pumping and by how much. This is exactly the kind of chart I look for. I don't like a coin that's just launched within the first week and you can't really study the dips and how long it consolidates and is the team going to rug. This is my kind of chart. What else do we have here? 329 holders, very good liquidity, $25,000. That's a 3-to-1 market cap to liquidity ratio. The average is 10-to-1 for new launches. So this is more liquidity than normal. That is good. That means you can slip in a pretty decent sized trade and not be affected by slippage, not push the price up too much. And you see, if you look in the order book, you got a $300 trade, $400 trade, $200 trade, another $400 trade, etc. So if you want to enter a position of like $3,000, just aping a few clips, $300 or so each, and you can push the price up a little bit, but really not all that much. What else do we have here? 84 out of 99 DexT security score. That's very good for low cap project. 99 is perfect. Contract fully renounced, 0% buy tax, 0% sell tax. Now let's check out the BRK6900 website. And as I mentioned, this is a new and improved site. It just launched today to replace their old website. So that's what you want with a team. You want them always making little improvements here and there. A new website, a new exchange, new higher quality memes, new features added to their Telegram group, new giveaways, that sort of stuff. And this is a pretty badass, chic looking website, like such a clean interface and simple, but like fancy and chic at the same time. It's not too difficult to navigate around. The color scheme is really badass. I haven't seen any other meme coin website that has this sort of flamboyant green with dark blue, navy blue. I'm really liking it. This brings us to another advantage of this project over SPX. I'm a fan of SPX6900, but their website's pretty weak. This is like a 1990 1998 website. They haven't once improved it and launched a new one the way BRK did. So this is very bullish for this project here. Now, if you haven't figured it out by now, with a picture of Warren Buffett right here, the BRK in this project's name, BRK6900, loosely stands for Berkshire Hathaway, which is, of course, Warren Buffett's huge investment fund that he has been running for 60 years with phenomenal success. So from 1965 to 2024, that's the last 60 years, Berkshire Hathaway has returned a percentage gain of 5.5 million compared to the S&P 500 during that time has only returned 39,000%. That comes out to a 19.9% average annual gain for Berkshire Hathaway, roughly outperforming by 2x the S&P 500's 10.4% during that time period. Warren Buffett is an investment monster. Scroll down here a little bit. So BRK6900 is the world's most expensive stock decentralized. This paragraph here just talks about the founding, the history of Berkshire Hathaway. It was founded in 1965 between Warren Buffett and his longtime partner, Charlie Munger. Then this paragraph talks about the rise, how the idea BRK6900 started. So it all started with a leaked post fairly recently about a supposed Berkshire Hathaway spinoff called BRK6900, which was hyped as a mix of meme coin energy and stock potential. Despite flimsy evidence and a fake Buffett tweet, excitement spread rapidly amongst traders. So the tweet was just sort of a hoax, but nonetheless, it got people excited about some kind of, investment fund, a coin that would be a combination of a meme coin with Buffett's stock market gains, and that is what became of this meme coin right here, BRK6900. Then going down here, obviously an Ethereum-based coin, everyone knows how to buy those. MetaMask is the best wallet, but basically any wallet, just Phantom, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, they all accept Ethereum. Ticker symbol is BRK. Token supply 420,690,000. Those numbers are synonymous with crypto and a project like this in particular. 0% buy tax, 0% sell tax as mentioned. There is the Ethereum-based contract address. And if you want to just buy BRK right from here, you can. They have implemented a swap. You can buy ETH for BRK, etc. That is pretty cool. Most projects don't have this. So this is a new and improved feature of this new website that they have just launched. And you can also purchase with a credit card. That will be implemented soon. The swap does work. Purchase with a credit card, fiat to BRK, again, coming soon. And then they'll have staking as well with a 12.5% APY. You can stake your coins. That's coming soon. Not live right now. What else do we have here? We got some memes. Buffett driving his Lamborghini. Buffett on his private jet, Buffett flashing some bling, Buffett on Wall Street. Let's check out the project Twitter page. Here is the BRK astronaut planting this project flag in the moon. That's what I like to see. Here is Warren Buffett giving his stamp of approval for BRK6900. He looks pumped with the stock chart going up in the background. Now here they talk about a BRK6900. They are targeting smart investors and smart traders and holders because that's what SPX6900 is. All those holders have full-time jobs. They make decent amount of money and they just like to put their money in a few projects and hold for the long run. They're not those like fidgety traders who are buying 2 million things each day. So even though SPX6900 is like anti-Wall Street, it's sort of like a Wall Street personality in terms of they have a lot of other stuff going on in their life, but that's what BRK wants. They want smart holders. And along those lines, we have a real video of a girl buying in 2010 50,000 BTC when it was less than $1. Life is looking pretty good for her right now. She's a smart investor and she knows BRK6900 is the coin to buy right now. Here's Warren Buffett. Win with us or watch us win. We got a Twitter space right there. Then we got a bunch of other community members who are repeatedly tweeting the song. We have this project. We have Cycle. We have Richard Riches. We have the manager. We have Moonshiller. Got some influencers working on it. We got some charting, etc. So what do I like about this project? Well, I like the SPX6900 comparisons. Keep in mind, SPX has been the best performing meme coin of the last year and 2 months or so, and it's on a dip right now. It is going to pump. I'm a massive SPX holder. When it pumps, I think it'll be the best performing meme coin over the next 1 to 2 months, and all coins in its sector, like BRK, are going to pump as well. Additionally, BRK has some advantages. Much better website. It's got a better name, a better ticker, BRK. Berkshire Hathaway as opposed to just SPX, sort of a play on S&P 500, but not really. And then additionally, the community is rabid. I really like the coin. It's at a low market cap level. It cannot go down from current levels. It's basically just how much will it go up by and when will it start pumping. And I am mad bullish myself. You do your own due diligence yourself. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. I'll be back later with a new video. Pick up signing out. Catch you later.